I am Aldrie Henry Lee, Senior Research Fellow at the Sir Arthur Lewis Institute of Social and Economic Studies. I am a sociologist by profession. I am very excited to read Annicia's book for two reasons. The first one is to enable me to get empirical data to provide for my students. I have a class of students who do social investment in children. It's a course which we look at child rights and what's happening to children. So the empirical data is going to be very valuable to us as we examine what is happening with persons with disabilities. I'm also interested in to see what is it exactly that Annicia is telling us to do with the persons with disabilities in terms of policy direction and the ways in which we can improve adherence to the rights of persons with disabilities. So I'm looking very excitedly for policy recommendations and empirical data. The research students are going to be very excited because they would be able to see through her research how research is carried out, and they'll also be able to examine in depth the issues that face persons with disabilities in Jamaica and in the Caribbean. The book is very relevant to policy development and program development in the Caribbean. We have very few pieces of research that look specifically at persons with disabilities, and here we have a book which is giving us a very detailed procedure on how to improve the lives of persons with disabilities. I also want to extend it to the fact that the book is valuable for teachers of policy, any type of policy, social policy or public policy, because here you have a book which is going to help students to understand the challenges that persons with disabilities face and be able to themselves see what kinds of policies that can be put in place to improve the lives of persons with disabilities. So it's not only for policymakers, but it's for persons themselves who have disabilities. It's also for teachers, and it's also for advocates of persons with disabilities. So those who are willing to advance the cause of persons with disabilities will find that book extremely useful, and I look forward to reading it.